Welcome back to Mustang TV. I'm Miles VI.
I'm Kaylin Rowell.
As graduation is approaching, seniors, make sure you have ordered your cap and gown. National College Sign-Up Day is February 6th. If you haven't done your financial aid, you need to complete it as soon as possible.
In February, WKCTC is going to be here to do on-site admissions. So if you're interested in WKCTC, that'll be a great opportunity for you seniors. And then they will also come back in March and help you schedule your classes, which is an awesome opportunity as well, because you'll have your fall college semester already planned out before you even graduate high school.
To all teachers, if you are not aware, the culinary department has started cooking meal preps. We interviewed one of the students about the project.
So we're doing the Mustang Meal Prep, and it goes on every week. We do 2 different dishes. Last week we did cabbage soup, a pork, sweet potato, and coleslaw, or chicken, quinoa rice, and vegetables. This week we're doing an Asian lettuce wrap or white chicken chili. Next week, who knows? Every week we have 2 different ones, and we prepare them here in the Mustang Cafe. We are serving it to pretty much anybody that wants it. Just let us know. So each meal is about $4, and we put them in these containers. If you bring 2 back, you get your name put in a drawing for a free meal of your choice.
If you have any questions about the meal prep, be sure to ask Ms. Woodruff.
The group going to El Salvador leaves next month. We spoke to Mr. Sims to find out more about the trip.
We will leave February 14th. We will fly into Miami, then go to El Salvador. When we get there, mainly we will be working with kids. We go to a lot of orphanages and stuff. A lot of kids down there don't have a place to go, and so we work with a group actually from the States, and they try to get these kids off the street and keep them off drugs and out of gangs. We will also go to a village called Awachapan, out in the middle of nowhere. We hold a festival with about 500 or 600 kids that go, inflatables, cotton candy. We do crafts with them. We also will build a house or 2 or 3, depending on how much money we raised. Basically, it's just go down there and help, and good life experience.
Last week was Spirit Week. You voted for your homecoming king and queen and saw a pep rally on Friday showcasing the candidates. Here were some of the candidates.
We interviewed Kyle Walden and Sophie Cook on their feelings about being homecoming king and queen.
How do you feel about winning homecoming king?
It was a really fun time, doing pep rally and stuff, and I got a plaque and a sash out of it. So.
Did you think you were going to win?
No, not really. I voted for other people like more times, so I didn't win. So.
Congratulations to all the candidates who were nominated for homecoming court.
For Mustang Sports, I'm Mitchell Evans. Our men's basketball team beat Tillman in the homecoming game last weekend. Jackson Civils dropped 26. Tonight, they look to get another win against Charleston, Missouri. Our women's basketball team plays tonight at Marshall County. Good luck to them. McCracken County football players Darius Kane and Kyle Walden will be playing in the Kentucky-Tennessee Border Bowl Saturday at Sevier County High School. Kentucky will play North Carolina at 12 p.m. Also, 10 other McCracken County players earned honorable mentions.
All right, Darius, how do you feel about being selected to the Tennessee-Kentucky Border Bowl?
I feel grateful and just really thankful to have the opportunity to play in the game.
How were you selected?
I was just good, I guess. I don't know, they just picked me.
What made you better than everyone else?
I just worked hard.
Are you gullible? Well, I'm Trevor Champion, and this is Trevor's Talks.
What are we doing? I just need to show you something, or ask you a question, right? Did you write gullible on the scene? No. Oh. He looked. I thought he was smart enough not to look.
Hey, did you write gullible on the ceiling?
Huh?
Did you write gullible up there?
No.
Ah. Hey, did you write gullible on the ceiling?
Huh?
Did you write gullible on the ceiling?
Gullible on the ceiling?
Did we?
Yeah, did you
No.
gullible up there?
Number 1, it says what is a frame shift mutation. It should say what is a
What
reputation.
global in the ceiling right there?
No.
Okay?
Sure.
I never did that.
Someone wrote
So look. I cross out.
When we're gone,
Just look.
you can look and you'll see.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought there some people would look.
Zoom in, zoom in.
You should tell a story about your gullibility.
I don't think that's gullibility. I think that was like, that was just pure trickery.
No, just these letters.
Take a look.
Just one letter. By yourself.
Yeah. Good.
Stop.
Did you write
one,
did
Shelly?
you write
I did
global?
not.
Well, how did it get up there then?
You almost stuck it up there. When did y'all come in? I've been in here the whole hour, so y'all haven't stuck it up
Yesterday.
the ceiling. Oh, okay.
From all of us here at Mustang TV, thank you for tuning in. Follow us on Twitter at Mustang TV News. As always, work hard and be nice, and have a great weekend.